beach that we're going to land on now looks to be very hot from here.
For 250 years, the Marine Corps has been America's tip of the spear. Planes, power, Marines. In the trenches of World War I, they became known as Devil Dogs, warriors defined by grit, by valor, by honor, amidst the chaos of battle. Across every domain they rise, and as new powers test America's resolve, they will find out what history has proven. Marines never submit. Forged to adapt, driven to innovate. First, to action.
Welcome to Marine Corps Air Station Miramar at America's Air Show.
Here, at America's Air Show, we celebrate 250 years of that legacy. A living demonstration of strength and unity for the force that has carried America forward for generations and will for generations more. This is not just an air show. It is the story of the past. The power of the present. And the promise of the future. The United States Marine Corps, for 250 years more. America's tip of the spear.
And that's what we call America's Air Show.